Hello there, welcome to my channel once again. It has been a while since I last posted a video about Microsoft Access. As I said, Access has very many uses. You can put Access to manage all sorts of information according to your needs. I'm going to show you today how you can protect your database against unauthorized access. As you can see here, if I try to open this database, school database 2, it will ask for a password. So I'm going to supply a password. Once I enter its password and I click OK, I'll gain access to this database. Let me close this database and I try to open again with a wrong password. So if I supply a wrong password and I try to open, I'll get a message, not a valid password. Please take note of your password, otherwise if you forget the password, you'll never gain access to that database. So let's get started. I'm going to show you how to protect your database with a password such that you can manage access to your database. Otherwise, if a database doesn't have a password, anybody will be able to open the database at any moment. Therefore, what you do, you click Start, click on Access, click on Open Other File, click on Browse, so when you get here, locate the database you want to protect with a password. Mine is under this folder called YouTube, but make sure that you don't open it, just highlight it, give it a simple click, don't open it, come down here and select Open Exclusive. What that one means is that it's only you who has full control of the entire database. So you go to File and click Encrypt with Password, and then you set the database password. You give it a password you want, verify the password, and then click OK. This message is not very important, you just say OK. So let's close this database and see that if we try to open it, it will request for a password. So locate your database, open the database. It is requesting for a password. I'm going to supply the password I set, and I click OK. Let me close it again, and if I'm an unauthorized user and I try to access this database and I don't know the password, or I try to guess the password, assuming I put some password trying to guess it, I'll not be able to access this database. As you can see, it is telling me that I don't have a valid password. So I click on OK. Again, it requests for the password. Until I supply the right password, I won't be able to access this database. So that's how you set the database password, and the process is called encryption. However, you might want to unset the database, and that process is called decryption. So I'm going to show you the process of decryption, or unsetting a database password. So close here. Again, you go through the same process. Start, access, open other file, browse. You have to follow strictly these steps, otherwise you will not be able to set the database password. In other words, you want to unset a password you had previously set. So click on it, don't open it, just give it a single click. Again, open exclusive. If you don't open exclusive, you won't be able to unset the database password. Once again, I'm trying to remove the password I had set in this database called School Database 2. So you click on Open Exclusive. It will request for the password you had set. You click OK. Now it is time to unset or to remove the password in this database. Click File. Now here you can see it is reading decrypt database. At first it was reading encrypt database. So if I click on decrypt database, what I get here is a window asking me to unset the password I had set. So you enter the password you had set. Click OK. So what you've done, you've cleared the database, and the database is now free from password. In short, anybody can now open the database. But of course, the overall idea, when you've completed the design of your application, it is always good to protect the database. Thank you very much, and in my subsequent videos, I will show you other ways of setting up database passwords. Please subscribe, like, and hit the notification button to get more videos about Microsoft Access. And in my next video, I'm going to show you how you can apply Formally in Microsoft Access tables, Microsoft Access forms, and Microsoft Access reports. Thank you very much for listening to me.